want to start your own business, this is how you can start one. Most people never start, not because they can't, but because they are confused. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step roadmap to help you start your own business, even if you are starting from zero. Just make sure you watch this video till the end, because number 6 is where most people fail. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome to my channel. On this channel, we talk about making money and building a better life. If this is your kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like I always say, it is absolutely free. Let's get started. The first step is to have a clear idea. You need to have a clear idea about what you are getting yourself into. Your idea doesn't have to be big or complicated. It just needs to solve a specific problem. For example, people are busy and they don't have time to do their own laundry, and so you can offer laundry services. That can be your idea. People want to eat and they hate cooking food. You can sell food. That can be your other idea. Another idea is that people want to grow online. You can offer social media help. And these ideas, they are solving people's problems. You can just go ahead and ask yourself, what problem can you solve and who is willing to pay for it? If you have the answer, that's it. But if your idea doesn't solve a real problem, it will be very hard for you to make money. The next step that you should consider if you want to start your own business is do a simple market research. Just take a little time to check if your idea makes sense. And this you can do very easily by just talking to people. Talk to people around you. Ask them what they know about that business and if it does well. Talk to your neighbors, your friends, if they know anything about that idea that you got. And lastly, you can also check what others are already doing. If people are already doing that business, that idea that you already have in mind, then that is actually a good sign, because it means the demand is high. But if you found out that nobody is interested in that idea that you have or that business that you have in mind, that is a sign that you should not ignore. What you need to do is to adjust your idea. Change your idea. Now, the next thing you need to consider if you want to start a business is to choose how you will make your money. Choose how you will make your money. It is very important. This is basically your decision, how you will actually want your business to bring in money. You can want your business to bring in money through selling products. You can also want your business to be bringing in money through offering services. Or you may also want your business to be bringing in money by you doing something online, like freelancing. For example, if you want your business to be bringing in money by you selling products, you can sell clothes and be making profit per item. The other thing, if you want your business to be bringing in money by offering services, you can do this. You can do car wash. You can wash cars and charge per car. That's it. Just make sure you keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate it. The other step that you need to follow if you want to start your own business is to make a simple plan. Make a simple plan for your business. You don't need a big business plan, but if you can answer these 4 things, like for example, what are you selling? Who are you selling to? How much will you charge? And how will people find you? Very important. If you include this in your simple business plan, trust me, you are far much better, and that's enough to get started. Because most people waste too much time planning instead of starting. Just start. The rest will follow. The next step that you need to consider is handle basic setups. Just set up your business properly. Depending on where you are, you may need to register your business name. You may also need to get business permits if needed. Like I said, depending on where you are, because some places you cannot do businesses without these things. Your business will get shut down. Your business will be closed, definitely, if you don't have these things. That's why I'm saying, depending on where you are. Also, you may need to separate your business money from personal money, because in the beginning, some businesses don't pay. So if you don't separate them, your business money and your personal money, you may end up using your business money inappropriately without plan. So that might hurt your new business. Honestly, to be on the safer side, just keep your business money away from your personal money. This step is very crucial, and this step is very important if you want to grow your business seriously. And the 6th step is start small. This is very important, and this is where most people fail. They wait and wait and wait for everything to be perfect. They take so much time waiting for everything to be perfect, which is not right. Don't do that. Start small. If it is food business, cook for a few people first. If it is a service you are offering, get your first client fast. And if it is online, post your first content. Your first version or your first service may not be perfect, but that is okay. Just start. What matters is starting. Wait, if you've been watching this video up to this far, I know you are getting some value from this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Seventh step is get your first customers. Here now you need to focus on getting people to pay you. You can start with your neighbors. You can start with friends. You can start with people around you or even your relatives. You can also promote yourself on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the online platforms. You can promote yourself there. That way, you will get people to pay you. If you do that, you will get people to pay you. Don't be shy. By letting people know you, they will buy from you. But if they don't know you, they won't buy from you. The next step that you need to consider is you need to improve as you grow. Improve as you grow. Once you start getting customers, you can now start listening to them, what they like and what they don't like. And then go ahead and use that feedback to improve your business. And the truth is that most successful businesses you see today, they didn't start perfectly. They just started just like you. They were not perfect. They improved over time. And yours too can improve with time by the grace of God. The next step that you need to consider is manage your money. And this part is very important. You need to track your money if you don't want to experience losses. You need to track how much you spend and how much you earn. Avoid wasting money in the beginning. Like I said, in the beginning, most businesses don't pay yet. So this part is very crucial. Avoid wasting money. Because even a good business can still fail if you mismanage. Finally, the last step. You need to grow step by step. Because once your business is working, now you can grow. You can grow by reaching more customers. You can increase your prices. And you can also add more services. And make sure that these services that you are adding, they are services that have demand. Because most businesses grow when there is real demand and not guesswork. So that's it. But starting a business is not about being perfect. It's about taking action. Start small, learn fast, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And also, let me know in the comment section, which business are you planning to start? You can also share with me your thoughts about these step-by-step roadmaps to starting your own business. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Watch this next video if you are a woman, or if you are a man, you can still watch this next video and grab some ideas for businesses that women can do, and you will thank me later. See you in the next video. Bye bye.